Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create PayPal business account for Shopify. The first thing that you will have to do is you will create your business account. So just go ahead and click sign up. And now that you're here, you will just have to click business, select that one, and then you will just have to click get started. And of course, just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is just fill in your first name, your last name, email, passport, phone number, of course. And then after that, you may be also required uh, to fill in your Shopify store name, but it's completely optional. And your monthly sales estimate as well, but it really depends on the layout um, of your website. So after that, you will just have to verify your account by going to your email and uh, confirm your account. And then in your PayPal dashboard, you will just have to go to your settings. So it should be somewhere right here. So just go ahead and explore that. And then, of course, you will go to the payment section under the settings. And then you will click PayPal. And then you will just have to choose activate PayPal Express checkout. And then you will log in with your PayPal business email and then enter your PayPal business login and click grant permission so Shopify can create orders and process refunds. And then after that, you will go to your Shopify and inside the settings, you will look for payments and then you will just have to click test transaction or make a dollar test order. And yeah, that's how you set up your PayPal business account for Shopify. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.